If you care, stay aware. Whether you're in a field, a forest, at a river's edge, or your own backyard. Birds, and nature for that matter, tell a story. We just have to learn how to listen. I'm Dr. Adrian, on a mission with my sidekick Shyla to help people help birds. These sharp, repeated chip notes are agitation calls. It's birds saying, particularly during the breeding season, there is something there worth protecting, and you or another predator are too close. It may not seem like a big deal, but birds actually live incredibly dramatic, demanding lives. Just for example, small songbirds need to be fed every 15 to 20 minutes, sometimes more frequently. So time spent being agitated with a human can have consequences. Be aware and embrace an opportunity to give a little bit more space.
Very good girl, Shyla. Very good girl.